In this video, we are going to learn the typecasting or you can say type conversion inside the JavaScript. So already in the previous video, we have learned that let, where, and const and other things. Also, we have learned as a primitive data type and non-primitive data type. So already those things has been learned, and we are having a new concept as a typecasting or a type conversion. So basically, it is used inside the make the calculations or internally or the externally. So I am going to show you the one of the example, and here I have already written a small notes for that one, and you can see this one. So implicit in the sense whenever internally conversion is happening is called as a implicit typecasting, and I have some of the examples also I have already written. So I will show you now how it works and all the other things. So I will remove this one. Then let data is to 2, or directly I will console and then I will show you 2 comma 2. So 2 plus 2. So basically it these are the number, and the output whatever you are going to see, that will be different as a beginner. So you can see it's a 4. This it's happening because of both are number. If one is string and another one is the number, then what will be the output? Then you can guess and see. The output will be 22 because it will be understanding it as a concatenation, because one is a number and another one is a string. So what it will do basically, it will convert that. It means it will not convert. It what it will do means it will concatenation. It will do. But if we do the same thing with the minus, then internally what it will do, internally it will change this string to number. Then our output will be 0. You can see in the console. So here this 2 will be and another 2 is the number and another 2 is the string. So this string number will be converted into the normal number, and then the calculation will be happen. Is the same thing we will do with the some other examples. You can see here, if we do these things, already 2 plus 2 in the sense I already have shown you, and 2 minus 2 also I have shown you. If we do some other calculations apart from plus and the sense divide into or minus subtraction, so those will be considered as a internally typecasting. So some of the conversion will happen internally, and then same thing we are having with the alphabets also. With alphabets, if we are doing trying to do something like this, 2 minus h or something like this, then it will show as a nan. So nan in the sense not a number. So not a number in the sense that is one is the alphabet, another one is a number. So then this one it will be cannot be make it as a number. So then what it will do, it will make it as a nan. So these are the small examples. Some many more other examples also I already shown you in the this notes. So you can refer here. So basically this is the one type of implicit typecasting. So you can go to the Google and search for the proper definitions. I have written here a simple definition so that you can understand. Then we are having a explicit in the sense explicit typecasting. We are going to convert one data type to another data type as a manually in the sense the user or the developer. So first we I will show you one example also. Let data data is equal to prompt, enter the number, and then console.log type of data. So already I have told you this type of what it will do. It will tell us that which type of data we are going to use. So you can see here enter number. I will add 23 or something. So then I have added a number, but it is considering it as a string. Now I wanted to make it as a number. Then how we will do means, first we are having two types. One is the parse int and another one is the number. So I will tell you the part number. Now I will do the same thing. 34 or something I will add. Then you can see it is a number now. This is what happens when we are doing to do explicitly. And already in the notes, you can take the reference from the notes. I have written in the simple examples. Let num is to number prompt, enter the number, or num is to %. So this is the one of the simple example you can see. And one of the most important thing is the what is the difference between number and the percent. So basically number and the percent are they're having little bit a small minute change are there between them. We will see what is the difference between the number and percent. So basically already we have written like this, and we will try one of the example for that one directly. I will try to remove this one, and then number is to 1, 2, 3, and something as ABC. And I will remove this type of, and check does it will work or not. Already I have said. And then so it is showing as an AND, because one this number this ABCD cannot be considered as a number. So what it will do, it will consider it as an AND, not a number. So if the same thing we will do with the percent, it will show us the data as a 1 to 3, that it will leave that one after that ABC. So this is the what one of the smallest example I can say I can give for the beginner, so that you can understand clearly. So that percent and the number both are having a minute changes in between them. So both are useful in their both cases. So here what we have learned with this one example, uh, as a implicit typecasting and explicit typecasting. So you already got to know what how to use this one. Then next we are having template retrieval, or you can say interpolation. So basically it used to print the variable data. So variable data in the sense, already you have seen this one, something like a I will remove this percent and let data is to something as a secret code or something I will write. So this secret code I wanted to print inside one of the statement, or you can say one paragraph is there in between in between that you wanted to print this data in between them, so directly. So how to use this one? So basically I have written a small definition so that you can understand properly. So template return or string interrelation is in JavaScript that allow embedded expression and the multi-line string. So how to use this one? Basically, in the left side corner, you can see the tilt sign. In below that we are having a one backtick symbol. So this backtick symbol is used to write the string also. So I will write one example. Let result is to use the backtick. Then uh, this is the code for secret mission, and then I will add this mission code, something as a number or something, whatever you want you can add. And then after this one, use the dollar symbol and then curly braces. Inside this one, add that whatever that variable name you have given here, use that same thing here, and then save. And after that, console, so that we can print the data. You can see that one result. Then it's fine now. So you can see this one, this is the code for secret mission 235, something I have written randomly. So this is how it will work. And these are the most useful cases in the React. Currently you can see this example, it will be not so much useful currently. So but in the React it is the one of the most useful. There you need to call the variables and multi lines of code. Many much more things are complex things will become in the React. And upcoming things I'm going to show you the how to use this one, debugging and much many more things. So thanks for watching the video. Subscribe the channel.